know say you sure for you, so just go chop your life, enjoy. I say make a dub small freestyle, make you just cast
for you.
Oga, Shebi Abad Abi. Somebody like me where they rap supposed to blow Abi. Somebody like me where freestyle they give you vibe, where but your head just one on one like this is supposed to don't blow Abi. On that they go, no worry, I don't stress you, but God you to letting me to stress you, cause I catch the vibe. Everybody knows they catch the vibe. Alpha, wetin dey sup una dey for? You dey wonder wetin I carry for body as I come. Na freestyle I just carry, no be like say you go form. Mommy come, no see me like a monster come dey run. You go stand, make we yarn. I'm your son, I be man. I say make I just come around, say hi as a man. Alpha, how you dey? How today they go for the business? You dey make money okay? I be money no today, no worry tomorrow go day. If your money no to come, you go still say God na go day. Guy man, this one you too serious. Come dey fumbles. I gotta calm down, cause last you go fumble. Just chop life, relax your shoulder, no raise your muzzle. All of us for this life where we dey na just the hustle. Hello to the lady on black with your eye way just the shine. Be like say she fine if she come out her mask. I for like see the full beauty. If I no see her face one on one, I swear I feel go feel guilty. She there for her workplace, she go say I don't craze, but I just the vibe sharp. Me I know they look face. I feel entertaining one or two if you know mine. That's last, so guy you understand. I'm on all of us define. Can I just go in? I feel buy one or two. I feel just buy something. I get money, don't think that I'm broke too. I go buy, what thing you want make I buy? I go buy, I won't buy phone pouch, I go enter because still I go buy. What thing they say when I go buy? I go price, I go buy. How much do they say I'm a local guy? I can afford this and this and this and this. For money no plenty, so I go think like this. Oh God, how much will this one? And how much will this?
That's
555. This one you go fly me to Dubai. I need something like 50k when I go use for my day for night. Make I go that way, that corner. 50k. Which one be this kind of phone? Explain the phone before I buy. Able 20s. Which one be that? Explain on my guy. Samsung.
3 gig RAM, 32 gig storage.
Yeah.
5,008.
Okay, make it no be like say I no patronize. I been talk say I go come inside and buy one or two. Make it no be like say the thing I tell my guy in a lies. Package am for me, bring the POS, make I pay. I just stay serious, I no joke, you know say I know they play. I found my guy, what's up?
Part 2.
So, who they bring the payments? Make you bring the team, make I just pay, make you move on. Look, money their account, so they kick them. Say now 55 was 52,500. Waiting in the 500 on top of 52. Add the 500 go add up. The two no to add up, but add them make I just pay up. How far sister? As you see me, you know to lock up. No man your older sister, wait to see me first, they lock up. They lock up. Say no to know what's up. I better bring my wallet, make I pay up. I get like 2 ATM for inside of my pockets. Bills and it when I write Mastercard, money go full am. Alpha, give am make you feel am. Money go dey put am for your POS, my pin. I go type am, big card, I go swipe am, big girls, I go like am. Big phone, if I no like am, tomorrow I return am. She don't depress am, she no go make mistake. This one na 3 by back, I just give and take. What you give what you get. 0814, and my pin I be that. I don't type am, I don't buy Samsung suppose sign man from freestyle a cup shop. I don't buy one. Something wey boys they buy for black market for my wall. I come on a mall, come buy am. See how she dey smile cause she like am. I buy am now because of the way you smile, man. I make her come inside, so make her come recognize am. Because I do been they sweep my body, they sweep my body, they make my body do me somehow. Hello mommy, what's the name again? So that maybe when I did SBC I can come again. You say it's what? Didn't pay, I don't pay, I didn't play, I didn't take it, I say tomorrow I'm gonna come again. Hello mama, what's the name? Say hi, my name is Dan Dizzy. What is your name again? Kemi, you pay me say if you go, make me your husband, come they call me your Ifemi. I no go lie, make you come see me like this, come they play me. So if you collect my number tomorrow, make you they text me. What the phone I don't pay for, who they collect them? I no go find them, cause later I go sell them. Because the hustle with the hustle.